We woke up surrounded by water, a quiet morning at anchor, right in the heart of Berlin. The sun was rising, the city still asleep. Almost perfect. Almost.
Die Anker haben sich verkettet.
Because during the night our anchor chains had twisted.
Das wird Spaß machen, die auseinander zu friemeln.
If you like modern yacht life, luxury boating, electrifying water toys, this YouTube channel is for you.
Find our secret place, smiles on every face.
We woke up surrounded by water, a quiet morning at anchor, right in the heart of Berlin. The sun was rising, the city still asleep. Almost perfect. Almost.
Die Anker haben sich verkettet.
Because during the night our anchor chains had twisted.
Das wird Spaß machen, die auseinander zu friemeln.
So first things first, coffee, breakfast, and good friends docked right next to us.
Hier, schmeiß die für die kleine Ente hier. Schnell hier vorne, nach hier vorne.
Oh, die sind ja klein.
Ja.
After breakfast and feeding our little duck family, luck was on our side. The wind changed direction. The boat slowly turned, and the anchor chains untwisted themselves.
Alright, some problems disappear on their own. Look, you got lucky with the wind. Undoing the anchor knot just with the wind, without doing nothing. So maybe you're lucky.
Problem solved. We undocked the SolarYacht 30 and headed back to our marina to pick up our family for dinner on the lake.
So nice with the mirror there.
Tonight's plan? Fresh salmon on the barbecue.
Yeah. What do we have here?
Salmon.
And mariniert mit Ahornsirup. Lecker, lecker, lecker. What is it?
I wanted to do a heart for you.
Frischer Fang aus dem Wannsee.
But our weekends on the lake are never only about food and drinks. This time, we jumped on the dinghy to explore one of the Berlin's best-kept boating secrets, a place called Little Venice. You might know we also have a solar yacht in Venice, but this feels completely different. More wild, more green, narrow canals, surrounded by nature. It almost feels like the Amazons of Berlin. If you have seen our private lake video, you know what I mean. Cruising small waterways, quiet, untouched, and so peaceful. This route is perfect for small boats, canoes, and stand-up paddle tours.
Das ist die Heerstraße.
Back on board the Solar Yacht,
Wir haben die kleine Venedig-Tour gemacht.
we fired up the barbecue just before sunset.
Da unten?
Schöne Lachsforelle.
Ah, schöne, wirklich schöne.
Buon appetiti.
Guten
Nikito.
Appetit. Dankeschön.
As the sky turned golden, everyone relaxed, enjoying the last light of the day on the water.
Ein Aal! Okay, hier reicht.
And finally, our little captain brought our guests safely back to land. We hope you enjoyed this Solar Yacht Live episode.
Adios. Schön war's. Schöne kleine Venedig-Tour, schönes Abendbrot.
And in our next video, we'll keep you updated on the production and launch of the new Solar Yacht.